Hello everyone, welcome to Vishwariti. Today I am going to show you how to prepare ice apple curry. In Telugu it is called munji curry. Now let's see the required ingredients. Meal maker 2.5 to 3 cups, cashew nuts 30 pieces, ice apple 15 pieces, coriander powder 3 teaspoons, onions 4, coconut 3 to 3.5 inches, poppy seeds 5 to 6 teaspoons, tomatoes 10, curry leaf little, ginger garlic paste 2.5 to 3 teaspoons, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, turmeric half teaspoon, garam masala 2 teaspoons, coriander leaves 1 bunch, oil 15 tablespoons, red chili powder as per taste, salt as per taste, water 3 cups. In this video I'm going to do in a huge quantity. If you want to reduce the quantity or do it in a small quantity, you can take these ingredients and try it. I have to boil the meal maker and I'll show you in this video how to boil it. And I have soaked this cashew nuts almost for 30 minutes. And you have ice apple, dhania powder, 2 onions I have chopped and 2 onions I have grinded, curry leaf, oil, ginger garlic paste, poppy seeds, the finely chopped coconut, and tomato puree. Now take a grinder, add poppy seeds. No need to fry the poppy seeds, you can add directly. And when you're grinding this paste, you can add some water so that it will be a fine paste. Now we are going to add a raw coconut and we're going to make it into a paste. Now take a grinder and you're going to add the cashew nuts with water. And you're going to make it into a fine paste. And if needed, you can add some more water when you're grinding. Now we have coconut paste and cashew paste. So let's start cooking. Take a pan, take 6 to 8 cups of water and 2 to 3 spoons of salt and allow the water to boil. And once the water is boiled, you're going to add meal maker and stir it. And we're going to cook this meal maker for almost 2 to 3 minutes. Once the meal maker is cooked, you're going to drain the water from the meal maker and you're going to rinse the meal maker with the normal water and you're going to squeeze it and keep it aside. We are going to keep the ice apple in water and you're going to cut them into pieces and fry them immediately. And you're going to cut almost 4 to 6 pieces based on the size of the munji or ice apple. Now take a pan, add 10 tablespoons of oil and you're going to fry ice apple. Do not stir them constantly. And just before the ice apple turns into golden brown, you have to remove them and keep it aside. Once we remove ice apple, we are going to add meal maker into the same pan and you're going to fry them. After the meal makers are squeezed, you're going to keep it aside for almost 30 to 60 minutes so that it doesn't stick to the pan. We're going to remove them just before it turns into golden brown. Now take the pan and add 5 tablespoons of oil and add curry leaves and onions. You're going to fry them until they turn into golden brown. Once they turn into golden brown, you're going to add ginger garlic paste and you're going to fry it. Once it is fried, you're going to add onion paste. Once it is fried, you're going to add tomato puree. We're going to cook the tomato puree until the oil oozes out. We're going to close the pan with the lid and we're going to cook it in a low flame. Once the oil oozes out, you're going to add salt and chili powder according to your taste. Mix it well and add fried meal maker and ice apple. Mix it well and cook it for 2 more minutes. Once it is cooked, we are going to add coconut paste and cashew paste and add 2 to 3 glasses of water. Add turmeric and coriander powder. Mix it well. We're going to close the lid and cook it in a low flame until the oil oozes out. Now we are going to add 2 spoons of garam masala. Mix it well and turn off the stove. Now add coriander leaves. Mix it and take it into a serving bowl. If you like my video, please subscribe for more updates. Thank you.